Good morning, everyone. In the previous class, in the last class of mathematics, we were doing in addition chapter warm-up exercise, exercise 2A, 2B. Remember, 2A was without carrying and 2B was with carrying. Remembered, everyone? So, I think so everyone has completed the work. Okay, so now today I am going to start the exercise 2C. Today I am going to start exercise 2C. So everyone will open page number 36. So see, this page number everyone will open. Okay, so page number 36 everyone will open. So problem sums you all are studying from class 1 only. In class 1 and 2 you have already studied, in which first of all you have to write the statement form. After that you will write the numbers, then at the side of the page you do the solving portion. You solve the question and at the end you write ANS is equal to whichever thing comes. Like that only in class 3rd you will do. Okay, so today we will start from first one. Okay, so everyone please be ready with your rubber, pencil, your copy. Just now you can take your rough copy only so that you may understand how you have to do, and the copy work I will give you afterwards. Okay, so let's start. So now everyone will open page number 36, exercise 2C. Okay, so see the first question. A math book contains 127 pages and another book contains 263 pages. How many pages are there in these two books? So this is the question. Now, whenever you are writing the statement, just see the question itself. Okay? The statement are already written in the question. So see how I am writing. So this one I am going to do for you. So first of all, exercise 2C. Okay, so first one. So see, what will be the first statement? A math book contains. So math book contains how many pages? 127 pages. So what we will write? The number of pages in math book. Okay, so how many pages are there? 127 pages. So you will write 127, right? So now, then, and another book contains 263 pages. So another book is containing how many pages? That is 263 pages. So what we will do? The number of pages in another book. So how much? How many pages? It is 263. Just now in the previous class I have taught you how to do. So if you are having problem, so I am writing for this ones, tens and hundreds so that you don't have any problem. Okay. So now this we have got two numbers. Okay. So how many pages are there in these two books? So now we have to tell the total amount of these two books. So what we will do? Just we will add. So total number of pages, you can write it. Like this also you can write. Therefore, total number of pages. Like this you can write. It depends on you. So I am just now telling you. So what it will be? Now we will add. I told you how to add it. So 7 plus 3. So 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 and after that 3. So 3 is there. So 1, 2 and 3. So 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Right. So again 10 is there. Two numbers are there. So what we will do? What we will do? 10 is there na? So 0 we will write here and this 1 will be a carry one. Okay. So 1 we are giving a carry. Now here 2 plus 6. So 6 plus 2 how much? 2 plus 6? 6, 7, 8 means 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how much? 2 plus 6, 8. So 8 plus carry 1, it will be how much? 9. Okay. So it will be 9. After that, so this carry 1 also we have added. Now 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Okay. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So what we have got? We have got the answer, that is 390 pages. Understood? Okay. So now we will see the second one. So see, second question. Anju's class went out picking strawberries. Anju found 145 strawberries while her friend Anshu found 178 strawberries. How many strawberries did Anju and Ashu pick all together? So this is the question. Now you can see in the question itself, the statement is already given. So just you have to see it properly. So for this, what you will do? So see. Number of strawberries, how much? Number of strawberries picked by Anju, how many? It is 145 by Anju. So how many strawberries? So 145 strawberries by Anju. And so like this we will write first of all. You can write the number of strawberries. The number of strawberries. Like this you can write now. By whom? By Anju. Okay. So how much? How many strawberries? 145. 145 strawberries, right? So now, while her friend Anshu found how many strawberries? 178 strawberries. So Anshu found, so the number of strawberries found by whom? Anshu. Ashu. You can say Ashu, okay? By Ashu. How many? It is 178, okay? So now, after that, what you can say? What is the question? How many strawberries did Anju and Ashu pick all together? So you have to tell the total number. So therefore, total number, again you can write total number of strawberries picked by both. Like this you can write now. I am not writing the whole statement. You will get in the PDF when I will give it to you. So you can write a total number of strawberries picked by both, like this you can write. So now you will add it. This is the addition. So you will add it here also and put this addition sign. It is very compulsory. Okay. So 5 plus 8. Now we will do. So start adding 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here 13 comes. So 13. So again 2 numbers are there, 13. So what you will do? You will write here 3 and here it will be carry 1. Okay. So now 4 plus 7. So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how much? It will be 11, right? So 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. So see how 11 is coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here 11 is coming. So 11. 11, 4 plus 7, 11 plus carry 1. How much? It will be 12. Again 2 numbers. So what we will do? We will again give one carry here and we will write here 2. Okay. So now 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay. It is 2 and plus carry 1 it will be 3. So it will be 323. So total number of strawberries picked by them together, what it will be? Answer will be what? 323 strawberries. Okay. So second one, till second one we have done. Now we will do the third one. Okay. So now let's see the third one. So everyone please read the question. It is, in a cricket match, Akshay scored 153 runs and Sahil scored 248 runs. how much did they score altogether? So again, the statement is already written in the question. So you can say na, run scored by Akshay. Okay, run scored by Akshay. How much score? How many scores? 153. Akshay scored how many runs? 153 runs. And Sahil scored how many runs? 248 runs. So like this you can write. So Akshay scored how many runs? Just now I'm writing very roughly. Akshay scored how many runs? How many runs? 153 runs. Okay. And Sahil scored? Sahil scored how many runs? That is 248 runs. Okay. Now, what is the question? How much did they score altogether? Now you have to tell that how much score they just scored altogether. Altogether means when you have to tell that how many pages altogether, how much it will be, that means simply you will do the addition. So now we will do the addition. So now 8 plus 3. So see 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. So how much it will be? It will be 13. Okay. How much it will be? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it will be 11. It will be 11. So, okay. Carry 1 and 1 here. Okay. Now, 5 plus 4. Okay. 5 plus 4 we will do. So, 5. Now, count it on your hand, on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, right? So 9 plus carry 1, it will be 10. So again, what we will do? We will write here 0 and carry 1 here. 10, na? So because first number we always give the carry. So that's why we have written here 1 and here 0. Okay. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Okay. 3 plus carry 1, 4. So the answer will be 401. So total runs scored by both of them was, answer will be 401 runs. Like this you can write now. So this was the third question. Now please come on fourth one. Fourth one. See everyone on page number 36. There are 135 children in the neighborhood. Okay. 269 more children move in. How many children are there in all? So now, in this question also it is already mentioned. So, how many children are there in a neighborhood? 135 children. So, what you can write? That there are 135 children. Total number of children you can write now. Fourth one for total number of children. Total number of children in neighborhood you can write now. All these things. So how many children are there? There are 135 children. Okay. Now, in the neighborhood, 269 more children move in. So how many children move in? How many children? Move in children. Move in children. How many children are there? Like this. How many children moved? 269. So you will write here 269. Okay. So now you have to, therefore you have to tell the total number of children. Okay. So now what you will do? You will do the addition. So total number of children all together, or how many are there between these? So you will just do the addition. So now add 5 plus 9. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So how much it is coming? It is coming 14. Okay. So carry 1 and 4 here. Okay. Now 3 plus 6. So 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how much it is coming? It is coming 9. Okay. And plus carry 1, it will become 10. So again, what you will do? You will write here 0 and you will do here carry 1. Okay. So 1 plus 2, it will be 3 and carry 1, it will be 4. So how much you have got? Total number of children. How much you have got? 404 children you have got. So like this, we have completed the 4 questions. Okay. In this, today we have only done 4 questions. In the next class, we will do another sums. Other 4 questions we will complete it. Okay, everyone. Do practice at home. Thank you, everyone. I think so. You all have understood all the sums which I have taught you today. Okay. Everyone, please do practice. You can change the numbers of the numbers which are given. So you can change the number in each and every question and you can do many sums by your own only. Okay. Only you have to do the addition. This is the addition part only. So you have to do only the addition. I think so now everyone has understood and now you are capable of doing the sums by your own. You can form numbers. You can change the numbers and do it by your own. Okay. So everyone do practice. Now in the next class, we will meet with some other questions. Okay. So thank you everyone.